What happened here? Wait, why is that car like pointing backwards? Good Lord. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to another vloggy vlog. How's everybody doing on this gorgeous Thursday? I'm doing great. I'm running a little late on my morning commute to Dumbo, but it's all good. And it's actually a chilly little day today. I don't know why I thought it was warmer than it was, because I'm actually just wearing my jacket without any thermals and whatnot. Anywho, got a few things this episode. It's going to be one of them gas tank questions. That's right. But first and foremost, I want to say a huge thank you to Mailman. He is the latest and greatest Patreon on my Patreon page, and I really appreciate your support. Thank you very much. The link to that thing is below the video here in the description, if you're so inclined. There's just like a couple of extra pictures there and a couple of behind the scene looks. I don't know if you care to see what I look like or whatnot. But today's video is actually going to be a gas tank question, and Goldfinger Nick wanted to, he basically asked about tickets, cameras, and cops in New York City and how do they treat bikers in general. And it's such a big topic, and I spoke about it before once or twice, but it's worth covering again because changes have been made. And obviously in New York City there's a ton of speed cameras, and there's a ton of red light cameras. Most of them are located by school districts and by schools, which makes sense. And there used to be very few, but every year the city has been adding like thousands, something like, I don't remember the exact number, but there's thousands upon thousands, tens of thousands of freaking cameras all over the place. And Waze, for example, see, like right now, looking at Waze, you could see that there's like at least 10 different camera warnings. And the thing about camera tickets is it's 50 bucks, and it doesn't get you any points, which is a beautiful thing. So technically you can get as many as you want, but that's not true. After 10 they could like impound your car and other terrible things. And damn, it's kind of ironic that on a vlog about cameras and cops I have to do a little bit of splitting myself because I'm running behind a little bit. So that's cameras. And the thing is, Waze used to warn you and tell you all about cops, but they no longer do that. Like recently there was an update where I guess like I'm guessing the cops complained, and said like, yo bro, how you gonna expose us like that, expose all the cameras, which is still possible to do. But yeah, that's the thing. And they're everywhere. They're sneaky because if you go 10 over, like 25 everywhere, right? So if you go 10 over, you automatically get a ticket. And on a motorcycle it's really easy to go from 25 to 35 to get out of a situation and just like flick over the wrist type of thing. But it is what it is. It is what it is. Look at the traffic. The traffic is thick. So we'll talk a little bit and then I'll have to split. But yeah, I think once you get 10 of those camera tickets, that's when you're in trouble. And red light cameras are also very sensitive. As soon as you're on yellow, it takes a picture of you and you're done. So you can't even run a late yellow. But whatever. And then obviously tickets, like there's a lot of cops. Shit, am I gonna talk about this while lane splitting? Maybe, because I do have to get ahead. Damn it. All right, we'll pick it back up. I'm not sure I can vlog while splitting. I mean, I could, but as far as cops, all right, let's talk about it a little bit. A quick one, because I'm being very gentle here. You could tell Obviously, a marked cop car, that's easy. Unmarked cop cars, they come in all shapes and sizes, but usually unmarked cop cars, they worry about bigger things. They're not too worried about you lane splitting, or unless you're doing savage maneuvers, because obviously you can get stopped for assaults maneuvers. But just like if you're somewhat respectful, like speeding and like, see that right there? No, I thought that was a cop for a second just because of the car, but then you see it's a New Jersey plate. And that's one of the things. Somebody else asked the question, like, how you can tell if it's a cop or not, and it's like, there's a million things, but you look for that. You look for the license plate, you look for stickers, you look for weird tints, spoilers and whatnot, any sort of mods like that. You're like, yeah, that's not it. But the scariest cops that come out of fucking minivans and random cars, you know, like Hyundais and Honda Accords. Oh no, is there an accident? You see, those are definitely cops. What happened here? Wait, why is that car like pointing backwards? Bizarre. Oh shit. Good lord. Good bananas. How did that 18-wheeler just... Wow. Crazy. Wild. Anyway, so yeah, the street cops would rarely touch you on the streets. But the thing is, you have to know, like, there's some areas where they will touch you, where you shouldn't be, you know, like where you shouldn't be doing silly shit. Some main intersections, some big areas, but like stuff like here, you feel relatively secure, relatively safe. And there's so many different groups of bikers in New York City as well. So overall treatment, I mean, it's okay. Obviously there was all these traffic stops, like literally motorcycle only traffic stops, which were not cool, but they kind of stopped doing them. I feel like they were unconstitutional in many ways, because how are you only going to stop motorcycles? Meanwhile, there's like a million drivers doing a million crazy things. Everything is still connected. Good. Trying out a little bit of a different thing. Boy, people are going on shoulders. That's a tight squeeze. I mean, I could do it. I'll have to do it. I'll have to do it in a second here. Come on. There we go. Oh boy, is that a real cop? No. See, that's some sort of traffic situation. But yeah, but there's also a bunch of different cops. There's also obviously like traffic maids and all that. So like a minivan can pull you over, but... And then as far as tickets go, a lot of people get tickets, you know. I've gotten tickets, speeding tickets, but like those are like, when I got caught going 93 and 25, that was me being full stupid. Thank you, you're the best. That was me being full dumb, and there was a police roadblock. Like, that was the worst case scenario. Police roadblocks for speeding, you got to be out of your mind to blow through that, or to come across it, and I did. So that was a lucky situation, a lucky break. It's funny though, I was supposed to get off at that exit there, but I think we'll just chill and go this way. Really thick boys today. Some thick gentlemen. I might have to go to that lane because this seems to be less of a thing. Why am I fucking so wobbly today? I don't get it. And yeah, most of the tickets you get would be for like improper lane changes and maneuvers like that, proper passing. It's all like petty bullshit. There was a point where people got tickets for like open visor on their helmet, and now apparently like they're gonna try ticket for exhaust and whatnot. I mean, I guess we'll see. I guess we'll just have to get to that point and see. Oh boy, I got behind this car, and he's the ultimate cock blocker. Look at this person. All right, we'll get around him. My mirrors are all out of whack. What's going on here? So much traffic. I left a little late than normal, so this commute is a little extra thick. It's a little extra crazy. This big truck is trying to there we go. Much better. Come on, bro. Are you going down or are you going up? Going down. Good job. And just like that. So what else can I tell you? Tickets, cameras, and cops. Long story short, if you're a casual and you don't do anything too wild, crazy, you should be all right. And the thing is, it's like we get around the city so quick where once in a while it does catch up to you. You know, the bullshit. See, that's a traffic mate over there, just trying to regulate. I could probably get by, but it's not necessary. There we go. Jeez Louise, people are really just it's a real situation. Holy cow. I have to pull up a little bit. Jeez Louise. And there's a camera around here, for example. I used to spice it down, but now I keep it cool like a freaking cucumber. You know, like right over here. There's a school right there. Where's the school? I think I just passed it or something. I don't know. But there's a school. Oh, back there, yeah. So the speed limit is 25 and I'm going like 28. But I'm also seeing like this light. I'm not gonna make it. So bomb. Gotta downshift. But overall, it's like, if you don't do anything too crazy stupid, you're gonna be all right. You're gonna be all right. We're still recording. Good. Oh, it's a beautiful day. I'm shocked. I'm shocked that it's mid-October and we're gonna have 75 today. It's gonna be a legit good one. There's another crash. Yeah, lots of crashes this morning. People are driving all sorts of erratic and whatnot. It's a shame. These gloves fucking hurt. Like right here, I don't know what it is. I gotta maybe look inside the glove. Some sort of stitching. Maybe I need to like clean it up. Who knows? Here we go. Green light, baby. Come on, give me that green sugar, please. And you know, the speed cameras and all that, it's like, I'm okay with it just because I need to calm down anyway. You know, I should be driving a little bit slower no matter what. So kind of appreciate the guidance in a way, because it did make me a slower, calmer driver around the streets, because I used to like just tear around and make noise, make sounds. You know, I used to just make the baby scream. Bro, are you serious right now? What's happening? Colorado, bro. wasn't sure about committing. And as soon as you get in the shadow, it's chilly. It's one of those weathers. One of those weathers. Take a little left here. Let's see how we find parking. So yeah, that was a clumsy attempt at a gas tank question. I'm a little rusty. Go ahead, sir. You got this. But send me more questions. Oh boy, you going? What are you doing, bruh? What are you fucking doing, you strange motherfucker? He saw me and then continued to go 1 mile per hour. And here I don't know what's happening, so we'll just kind of go like this. It's gonna be all right. So we can park a million places, but we're gonna find a good one. I mean, that's a good spot right here. Not too many sexy places. I don't like this corner. The corner is just not it. All right, well, I have to park on this block. Next to this fucked up Jeep. Is that possible? Yeah, why not? Why not? We'll park right here. I don't know what's up with these vehicles. I feel like they're here for a video shoot or photo shoot or something. A shoot of some sort. Well, I know for a fact they ain't moving. I am gonna need some sort of a support there, because that shit's gonna break through. My bike is gonna be on top of another bike. Damn. We'll figure it out. Anyway, thank you for watching, boys and girls, as always, and I'll talk to you soon.